Hello guys, today we will discuss to you about the printer for Triga Fahrenheit. Today I will that module is what we call the 5824 serial and parallel printer interface module. So you will connect to the S-Bus power and AB communications. Okay, so again the model number is 5824 serial parallel printer interface module. You will connect directly to the motherboard for the S-Bus and AB communication, and then you can provide a printer, a serial and parallel printer. Okay, and I will show you how to configure this type of printer module 5824. So this is we are using now Epson. Okay, for Fahrenheit Triga. The model number is LX-350. So this is a recommended printer, okay, to print the events of the parallel panels, either trouble, supervisory, or fire signal. It will directly printed to the printer. So as you can see, I have a cable. We have a DB9 female and male connector. So we have a serial and parallel. This one is DB9 male DB9. This is a serial connected to the female DB9 RS232 cables. Okay, as you can see in the video. So you have to connect that one, and as you can see at the back side of the printer, in the left side, this is a parallel port, and the right side is the serial ports. So serial ports, male serial ports is a combination or a composed of 25 pins. Okay, you have to buy a converter, RS2 converter for 25 pins into DB9 or 9 pins. Okay, so you have to buy in the local market, and then you have to connect this DB9 to female and male. Okay, and the converter to the serial port, 25 pins of the LX350 Epson, and then this one directly connected to the 5824 serial printer interface module. Okay, so we will connect that one. Later on, I will teach you how to make a communication between the printer and the parallel control panel using Triga and Fahrenheit. So you see, this is a 25 pins, okay, converter, 25 to DB9 or 25 pins to 9 pins for printer purposes. We are using now a serial 25 pins, 20 serial ports, 25 pins printer interface module. Okay, connect. We are using an Epson LX350. So as you can see, I convert the female to male interface to connect to the printer. So this is the way how to connect to the printer. Okay, if you have a program, okay, right click and add the S-Bus module, and you have to find the 5824 serial and parallel printer interface module. Okay, just select the enable event logging network and the main part of your program, and select the serial interface and the stop bit. Okay, and so on. This is default. Okay, the most important is to click the event logging, the network, and your program and the serial port, so that it will be communicated to the printer and the parallel panel. So this is just the standard setting of the simple configuration of the printer to Triga and Fahrenheit panel. I hope you will learn something to install the serial and parallel printer using Epson -350, using the DB9 female and male, and by using serial RS2 converter from 25 pins to 9 pins or DB9 and connect it to serial port. And this is the in the screen, this is the standard configuration of your printer. So guys, thank you very much. Take care always, and God bless you all. Bye bye.